Here we're asked for the volume of this hemisphere and then this cone. Notice that the R is the same value as the H here. So explain which one will have a greater volume. So we have to look at this cone differently here because there's an H, but we know H is really R. So this is volume equals to 1/3 pi R squared times R. R squared times R is just basically R to the third. So you're basically comparing this, because this is R, versus this, 2/3 pi R cubed or 1/3 pi R squared. We were going to say the hemisphere. The hemisphere will have a better volume because it's 2/3, whereas the cone is 1/3. Okay, so 2/3 is a bigger number than 1/3. So that's why the hemisphere will have a bigger volume. Hemisphere volume is bigger. Next, we want to see which one has the greater surface area. You want to compare them. Both of these surface area, first of all, has the same top. The top is basically a pi R squared and a pi R squared here. So let's ignore those, okay? Basically, you want to unravel this part, okay? And here, you're raveling like a sector of a circle, right? This is the sector that you're unraveling from here, which is L, thinking pi R, right? And then here, you're basically unwrapping a bigger circle here. So here, it's going to be the hemisphere will have a greater surface area. And the reason why is because the cone is only a sector of a circle, whereas the hemisphere is a full circle. All right, there you go.